Hello, welcome to Math. In this class, we want to find the value of n from this equation 3 raised to power n squared divided by 9 raised to power n is equal to 6,561. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Solution. We have 3 raised to power n squared divided by 9 raised to power n can be written as 3 squared raised to power n is equal to 6,561. Then we have 3 raised to power n squared over 3 raised to power 2n is equal to 6,561. This one is gotten from a raised to power n to the power of m is equal to a raised to power nm. Then we have 3 raised to power n squared multiplied by 3 raised to power minus 2n is equal to 6,561. But 6,561 is equal to 3 raised to power 8. Let's see, we have 3 raised to power n squared multiplied by 3 raised to power minus 2n is equal to 3 raised to power 8. So this is 3 raised to power n squared minus 2n is equal to 3 raised to power 8. They have the same base 3. We have n squared minus 2n is equal to 8. Then n squared minus 2n minus 8 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation, so which can be solved using either quadratic general formula or factorization method. But in this case, we are going to make use of quadratic general formula. And our quadratic general formula in this form is giving us n is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. From this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2, c is equal to minus 8. Let's see, n is equal to minus bracket minus 2 plus or minus square root of minus 2 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by minus 8 over 2 multiplied by 1. Let's see. Minus times minus 2. N is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of minus 2 square 4 minus 4 times 1 times minus 8. This is plus 32 over 2 times 1, 2. Then n is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 4 plus 32 over 2. N is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 4 plus 32. This is 36 over 2. Then n is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 36 6 over 2. Then n is equal to 2 plus 6 over 2, or 2 minus 6 over 2. Now let's work with this. N is equal to 2 plus 6, 8 over 2. This is equal to 2 here 1, 2 here 4, 4. Then from here, n is equal to 2 minus 6 over 2. This is equal to minus 4 over 2. Then 2 here 1, 2 here 2. This is equal to minus 2. Therefore, n is equal to minus 2 or 4. These are the value of n. Before you leave, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.